The 777X is Boeing's newest long-range wide-body aircraft from its 777 family, which is the best-selling wide-body aircraft family to date. The original 777 first flew in 1994 and absolutely dominated the wide-body market. However, the emergence of Airbus's A350 wide-body family, with their modern avionics and composite makeup, put the 777 stronghold under jeopardy. Boeing's response to this threat was the development of the 777X, which it targeted to enter into service by 2019. If you aren't new to this channel, you might be aware of the numerous delays suffered by Boeing's 777X program. But for those who are not, let's have a quick recap.